In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Gantt chart in ClickUp. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type ClickUp and press Enter. From the results, click the official ClickUp website to open it. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that. Then navigate to the project, folder, or list where you want to build your timeline. This ensures your chart pulls in the right tasks and context. Once you're inside your project, look toward the top for the Views area. You'll see your current views and a plus icon to add more. Click View or the plus sign to add a new view. A selector will appear with different view types. Locate or search for Gantt, then click it. That's all you need to create the view. ClickUp will spin up your Gantt chart right away. Your new Gantt chart shows a timeline across the top and your tasks in a chart view. Each bar represents a task's schedule, making it easy to understand what's happening and when. If you don't see a particular task, it may not have dates yet. Tasks need at least a due date to appear on the timeline, so keep that in mind. You can adjust tasks directly on the chart. Click and drag a bar to move a task to a different date. Drag the left or right edge to shorten or extend its duration. These changes automatically update the task's dates, so you don't need to open a separate window to make quick adjustments. You can also add a task right here. Click the plus sign on the chart to create a task in the current location. Type your task name, keeping it clear and actionable so it's easy to recognize on the timeline. When you're ready, click Create. The task will appear on the Gantt chart where you added it. Next, adjust the due date to place it correctly on the timeline. You can do this by dragging the taskbar to the appropriate date, or by opening the task and setting the due date directly. If needed, stretch the bar to set a longer or shorter time frame. This helps you align the task with your overall schedule at a glance. And there you have it. You've created a Gantt chart, can see your tasks on a timeline, adjust them by dragging, and add new tasks as you go. For a clearer view, try switching the zoom level to focus on days, weeks, or months, and keep tasks dated so everything shows up on the chart. Thanks for watching, and enjoy planning your projects with ClickUp's Gant View.